Joining us now is Miss Maxine Pierson. She's the CEO of a company called Biotech Incorporated. MJTV is the stock symbol. Maxine, welcome back to the program.
Thank you, Don. As always, it's a pleasure to be here. We're having a busy week, and it appears you are as well.
Well, tell us again what the company does.
We have some very interesting projects, and we put out some press releases recently about our relationship with Invest Africa. And what is really exciting relative to our COVID-19, this week we are shipping a new type of, call it hardware diagnostic technology to our partners in Africa. And not just in the area of COVID, but in technology in general, how quickly it's moving. And we're very excited to have new hardware, sending it over and making it available to our partners. In addition to the testing diagnostics that we've already sent. And so that's really moving along. And Africa as a whole is a very underserved market. And there are a whole lot of cases. There's a whole lot of COVID, and it needs to be addressed. And we're fulfilling a need that nobody else is, really.
Well, you don't hear much about Africa, and it's great to hear that there's a U.S. company helping to fill that need. How did you get involved in that?
Well, I've been in international trade previously. Also, our partner, Invest Africa, we're very fortunate to have a legacy company. They've been involved in Africa for 20 or 30 years on a diplomatic level. So this was excellent indeed, and a real boon for us, because we are already connected with them very closely in the Palm Beach venture capital side, on the US side. So that's how we became involved, because they were already a global company. I had a background in those of us in our company on international trade, and that's how it's emanated. And the market in Africa is huge. I think it's kind of it's been the Cinderella to some extent, if I may say, for a while, but I think that's going to change.
Do you find that there are any political landscapes or hurdles you have to jump over?
Like a runner. Yes, I'm being facetious. Forgive my humor there. Like crazy. Like. Do I think there are, let us say, use your word, hurdles in every country? Yes. It is especially more in that area. They've been underserved. People want to have access, and there simply isn't enough. For example, in Namibia, only about 5% of all the people even have health insurance of any sort. And last year, just as an aside, the United States government gave a $100 million grant to Namibia for COVID relief.
Well, that's going to be like a welcome mat when your company comes rolling in.
That was our thought. And now we're still in the testing area. The next role is going to be, in my humble opinion, the vaccine, how that's going to be rolled out. Actually, getting the vaccine is not that easy, because the whole world, everybody in the world wants it.
Now, is that something you see your company getting involved in down the line?
If we can be of service, absolutely, 1,000%. We have again, our partner, Invest Africa, which is on this side, the Palm Beach Business Group. We have an ongoing relationship for many years with Scripps and a number of other bioscience areas on this side. So we'll see how it shakes out, and if it's to everyone's best advantage. And I think between Moderna, J&J, and the other people that have come out with vaccines, we're going to see some huge changes, and of course, a far greater degree of availability.
It's amazing how COVID has changed the world, hasn't it?
Oh, sociologically, economically. You'll enjoy this, Don. I guess the average weight gain over this 1 year has been between 15 and 40 pounds. And people are wondering how they're going to come out of their shell and in what form. So that's another aspect. And honestly, and to also keep us busy, On another area is our hemp, our company in Maine, who has hemp. Now we have a lot of experience in biomass, alternative fuels, and so forth, but we're also being contacted and taking a hard look at hemp. Obviously, is a CBD product. And if I just may make an observation, that might change because of the new administration. And if they do make marijuana and CBD products medical grade, fully acceptable, insurance companies might, great big red letters, might start paying for it. That's going to change the whole complexion.
You're absolutely right. Once again, MJ Biotech Incorporated, MJTV is their stock symbol. Great developments, Maxine. Thanks for joining us.
A joy always to see you, Don. Thank you.